Hi everyone, let's go ahead and see how you can apply Python's built-in functions to series. Previously, we had seen how you can get the series from the file. We used the method of squeeze by reading just a single column into a Pandas data frame. Previously, we had a data frame, a series actually, not the data frame. We had a series, yes. So in this series, yes, we are gonna actually check the type of this. Yes, it says that it is a series. And if we check the length of the series, it is gonna give us the shape. All right. That means there are total 1000 rows are there in the data which we read earlier. That's the foods.csv. Now you see the index of this data. It starts from 0 index to 999 index, which says that the length of this series is 1000. You can also check here the data types present into the series by typing s.datatype. It says that the data type is object. Earlier we had also seen this when we printed our series. It says that the data type of series was the object there. Let's go ahead and check the shape of series. Although we got the length of series, but still we can get the shape here. As we know that series don't have any column, that is why we are not getting any column there. They are just number of rows. There are total 1000 rows. You can also get it by typing here s.size. Then again it is saying that the total length of your series is 1000. You can also check the number of dimension by typing s.ndim. It again says that the series is just a one-dimensional vector. That means it is just a single vector. I mean to say that a single dimension vector. You can check the index of series, which are these, and this index starts from 0, stops at 1000 and step is 1. Basically it is saying that this index is starting from 0 and ending at 1000, but this 1000 is not included in the index. And you can get this by just writing here a range function which starts from like 0 to 1000. So this one is similarly like this, or you can say that np.arrange. Earlier we had seen, although we have not imported np, but you can import like something this as np. So this is the index which this one is saying. All right, let's go ahead and check the values of your series. Simply you can take some you can check it something like this, s.values, and here you have all the values present into the series. Since it is taking here a lot of space, so basically I'm just gonna comment this one so that we can save a space there. Let's go ahead and check the statistics of the series. How we can do that? This is our series data, and we cannot apply here a numerical statistics. So for that I'm gonna read data from the Google's stock, and thereafter we will do the analysis. So I'm just gonna copy this whole thing from there, and then I'm gonna paste it there. Again you need to come back here inside the data, and inside the data I have here, maybe I may not have. So let's go ahead and take this e-commerce.csv file. Alright, so this file I have here, e-commerce.csv. I'm just gonna remove this so that I can know that what are the columns present there. Alright, so in this we don't have much of the values. Hold on, I need to get here something. Maybe here we have a profits, revenue. Okay, this one seems a good file to read. Alright, let's go ahead and read this file. Alright, so here we have revenue, profit, and these are the employees. So these three, on these three values we can, on these three column, we can apply mathematical statistics. And here I'm just gonna take the revenue. So I say here huge column, just a revenue. So I got here a revenue. In this I can apply here the sum of revenue for all the Fortune 1000 companies. So these are presented into the dollar perhaps, or $1 million. Need to see that. Alright, it's not written here, but maybe it is in $1 million. Alright, that's the sum value there. Similarly, you can get something like this, a mean. That's mean if you get the mean average value for all the companies, so maybe it is saying that these million, or you can simply say that here a $13 billion. And similarly, you can get here the median. So the median is something where you actually sort your values in ascending or descending order, and you take out the middle number out of that. And then here it says that 5,000 overall, it says that here 5 billion. So now you see there a median is 5 billion, but mean is 13 billion. That means your data is skewed. When mean and median is not equal, then we have a skewed data. Alright, that means the data is not uniformly or normally distributed. Alright, then here we have here s.std, that is the standard deviation, and the standard deviation between the Fortune 1000 companies revenue is like 28 billion. Similarly, you can get the variance, you can get the minimum, maximum, and the total count, whatever you want to get there, something like this. Again, it's just 1000 file present there. Similarly, you can get the minimum revenue, so that's the minimum revenue 1.8 billion. Maximum revenue you can get s.max, so 482 billion dollar maybe, or a million. I'm not sure exactly what is this figure, but yes, these are the numbers where it is saying that that's the maximum value there. If you have a series and you want to sort it into ascending and the descending order, you can simply put it here s.sort values, and here you get it in ascending order. Alright. Similarly, if you put here, if you press here shift and double tab, you will get here all the options which you can use while doing the sorting. We are just gonna take here the ascending, either false or true. So if I say that ascending is false, that's mean it is going to sort it into a descending order. Other than that, either you can use the method, a native Python method, to sort out this series, like sorted s. So in sorted s, it takes the values and then it sort out these values into the ascending order. You can convert the values of your series into a list by typing just simply list s. So this will convert this whole value into a series. Otherwise, you can convert it into a dictionary as well if you want. So it's gonna take here the key as the index of your series, and the values will be the value of the dictionary. Alright, the created dictionary. Perfect. So this is all about in this lesson. I'll see you in next one.